So good morning. My name is Alok, and this is Waking Wise. And I have been wondering, you know, what are the starting and what are the ending notes of Vedanta? And Vedanta is very very deep. Today we will attack or understand the most complex part of Vedanta, which is highly simple, but that is which 99.999999% of the people are not able to get free from. Yes, the topic of today is clinging, Vishayanmukh, the focus on materialism. So sit back, relax, keep your spine straight, as I normally say. Keep your entire attention to your breath. So spine straight, attention towards the nostrils. Take a deep, long breath. Purakah. Rechakah. Purakah. Slow, long, and deep breaths. Very slow as possible, as deep as possible. All the three areas. Rechakah. Purakah. Rechakah. The mind will waver. Bring it back to the action. That is the mantra. The mind will waver. Bring it back to the current action. The action is breathing. Purakah. Rechakah. Purakah. Just put your attention where the breath is coming, which nostril. Is it coming from the left nostril? Is it coming from the right nostril? You do not need to change the pattern. You just need to observe which nostril is active. कौन सी नाड़ी सक्रिय है बस इसमें आपको सजगता लेकर आनी है. Just be aware if the left nostril is on or the right nostril is on or both the nostrils are on. Bring your attention and observe if the breath is going through that particular nostril. Is it actually covering the front of the nostril, the area below the nose, on the upper lip? Purakah. Keep on breathing long and deep. And try and limit your entire body movements. As long as the body will move, the mind will waver. मन इतना चलायमान है कि या तो मन खुद शरीर को हिलाएगा या शरीर बाह्यरंग होने से जब हिलेगा तो मन हिल जाएगा. शरीर स्थिर बैठे रहे. शरीर स्थिर बैठे रहे. योगी कौन? जो 1 घंटे एक आसन में बैठ सके. Keep your body absolutely non-moving. Focus your attention on your breath. There will be sounds and lights which will be coming across. There will be sounds and lights which will be coming across on the senses. Ignore them. It is their duty, not your duty. Your duty is to focus your attention on your breath, to focus on where the breath is coming from. Is it coming from the left nostril? Is it coming from the right nostril? Or is it coming from both the nostrils? Coming and going, inhalations and exhalations. Coming and going, inhalations and exhalations. Just observe. You'll find that the breath is scanning the material world. विषयों को अपने साथ साथ में श्वास लेके शरीर में अंदर आ रही है. The breath is taking the material world along with itself and entering your body. Yes, this is what the reality is. The reality is every breath that you take, the attachment is so deep that it is clinging the material world, clinging the focus, and its focus is the material world. The five types of sense objects, पांच प्रकार के कर्म से उत्पन्न हुए पांच प्रकार के विकार. The sense objects related to vision, the sense objects related to taste, touch, smell and sound. पांच प्रकार के विषय, दर्शन, श्वसन, गंध वही श्वसन, श्रवण, स्पर्श और स्वाद. घ्राण इंद्रिय कहते हैं इसे. प्री प्रोग्राम्ड इंटेलेक्ट. All the five material objects, they get attached to the breath and they're just entering the body without any intimation to you. They have not taken any permit. They do not have any license to enter your territory. And you were not aware. You were never aware. Be aware. Be the policeman. Be the inspector. Be the vigilant guy. Be aware. Be aware. Filter like in a check post. Filter the every thought which is attaching to your breath. This is what will culminate as a big giant mountain inside the mind, which is the material world mount. That mountain जो मन में माया का पहाड़ बनेगा, वो हर एक श्वास के साथ में जो विषय आ रहे हैं उसका बनेगा. ये वो हर चींटी का दाना है जो मन में जाके माया का पहाड़ बना रही है. Every breath that you are taking in is sucking and clinging the material world, and specifically the five sense objects, which will cause despair and attachment. What is despair? Maya. Attachment is despair. दुख क्या है? अष्टावक्र से पूछा जनक ने, दुख क्या है? जनक ने जवाब दिया, माया. आप मायातीत हो जाइए. Filter from your nose what is coming in your mind becomes pure. Filter in your mind what goes into your intellect becomes pure. Filter what goes from your intellect into your consciousness before you sleep by the day. Your consciousness becomes pure. Do seva, do kirtan, remember your Lord. You do not need to sing, you do not need to dance. If you feel like singing, do sing if it makes you pleasurable. If in the divine sync you feel like dancing, do that, no stopping. But there is no prerequisite to sing and dance to have a devotion to your God. That's your private affair, that's your internal protocol. That's your secret protocol with your divine. ये आपका अपने इष्ट के साथ व्यक्तिगत संबंध है, right? जो कि आपका इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी है. This is your intellectual property. Nobody has the right to peek into it. Right? Your sacred method, your sacred SOP, your practice, one. Yes. Just need to be one with your divine, and you'll feel automatically that starting from the breath is automatically you are getting the power to filter the vikars, shut vikars from the breath. There's five types and six types of despair causing material errors in attachment entering your body and you'll be able to control it via your breath itself. You know why yogis and ancient saints used to sit for hours in meditation? They would purify the breath. What is purifying? Is it only oxygen? No, it is purifying it by the power of will. Purifying fresh air, which is a positive energy from the universe. Purifying the inhalations and the exhalations to such a point so that there is no additional material object getting clinged to the breath, because it's a structured process. If the breath is infected, the mind will be infected. If the mind is infected, the intellect will be distorted. Its decision making ability will be reduced. If the intellect is taking wrong decisions, it will have its implications in the mirror consciousness. This consciousness which we are talking about is mirror consciousness. Have a control over this process. Only allow the divine thoughts to come through your nose. Yes, hear the statement again. Only allow the divine thoughts to come through the nose. How can thoughts come from the nose? How can nostrils inhale divinity? That is what the beauty is. You want, you have the power, you can smell divine, you can smell divine smell, you can hear a divine sound from the ears. As long as you desire it so badly. Take a deep long breath and feel it right now. Purakaha. Rechakaha. When you feel some kind of positive smell in this breath, even if you feel 0.1% positive smell in this breath, this is divine air. This is not the material air filled with filth. ये दूषित वायु नहीं है. माया में से ग्रसित दूषित वायु नहीं है. ये अब दिव्य श्वास हो गई है. Take a deep long breath. Rechakaha. Purakaha. This is a divine air which you are inhaling. Rechakaha. And you garbage out. Garbage in, garbage out. Information technology. You are taking the garbage out from your system. Divine in. Purakaha. Garbage out. Rechakaha. Remember this mantra. Divine in and garbage out. Do this process till a particular point in time when what is coming out has started to become divine out. Then it becomes divine in, divine out. It is no longer garbage out. Because currently what has been happening is garbage in. Rakaha, divine in. And if you have no issues with blood pressure, hypertension, anxiety, depression, or anything which is related to heart, you might as well hold the divinity into yourself by holding the breath. Re Chakaha. You can hold your breath for 1 to 5 seconds, 10 seconds if you feel like. This will give you the power to hold the positivity inside you. Purakaha. Example. Hold it for 5 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5. Re Chakaha. Purakaha. Divine in. Hold. Divine hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Re Chakaha. Garbage out. 10 seconds. As long as you think you can do this thing, keep doing. This is the most calming exercise. Purak, Kumbhak, Rechak. And if you purify your mind, if you purify your thoughts, if you purify your breath, you're a completely new person. We are just like snakes. We change our skin. We change our cells every now and then. There are hundreds of thousands of cells which die in the body and hundreds of new cells which come up every day. This is how you create new cells. Yes. Keep on breathing, breathing, breathing. Then exhale all the garbage, the negativity, the ill will, the unfulfilled desires, the despair, the distrust of life will go away. Hold the breath there wherein you can hold your merger with the divine. अपनी श्वास में दिव्य श्वास मिला लें और अपने दिव्य का आलिंगन करें पूरा कहा मिल जाए अपने दिव्य से अपने इष्ट से मिल जाए श्वास रोक के रखें एक दो तीन चार पांच रे चक शरीर से जितनी दूषित विचार और विकार हैं हाँ हमारे शरीर और मन में विकार हैं ये बाहर के बाह्यरंग ऑब्जेक्ट मटेरियल विकार ये अब हमारे शरीर में आ चुके हैं हमारा पूरा ध्यान बाहर बाहर की ओर था अब हम बाहर से अंदर आ रहे हैं हमारा फोकस अब अंदर है अब बाहर नहीं है बाहर से तो हम सिर्फ श्वास ले रहे हैं पूरा कह रे चकह बाहर की दुनिया आपने काट दी अब आपका पूरा ध्यान अंदर है ऐसे ही आप बाहर की दुनिया पूरी काट के अंतर जगत की यात्रा कर सकते हैं आपको लग रहा है बाहर जगत बड़ा है आप एक बार अंदर आकर तो देखिए पूरा ब्रह्मांड तो आपके अंदर है Yes, you've been focusing your entire life outside. There's nothing outside that needs to be seen, heard, or experienced anymore. You've done that. Change the direction of your train towards inside. Now focus inside and start traveling inside. And you'll find that the world inside is far, far bigger than the world outside. Stay calm, composed, and in a state of bliss in this state. Yes, you can be calm, you can be composed, you can be serene, and you can be bliss all at the same time. You don't need any vehicle to do that. Close your eyes, take long breaths, bring the attention to the breath, and lo and behold, the mind becomes silent. The intellect stops processing. That's it. And keep doing this thing again and again and stay as long in this particular phase. Now slowly hold your hands, bow your head to your divine for this experience. Take a deep, long breath. Purakaha, Re Chakaha. Exhale and thank you and show gratitude towards your own divine. अपने इष्ट का अभिवादन करें कि उन्होंने आपको ये समय दिखाया है धीरे धीरे आंखें खोलें शरीर को हिलाएं दोनों हाथ तरफ करें चेहरे पे लगा लें शरीर पे लगा लें rub it on your body on your face We are done with today's meditation. Any questions which I can quickly answer?
Thank you, Mr. Alok. Good day.
Thank you, Malan. Any questions, Jadid?
Nothing, nothing. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Alok.
Thank you. Any questions, Kunal?
Thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
the graceful start.
Thank you. Thank you. Look forward to have you on board again. Thank you.